Okay, this is our new repair bins, and you'll get a pencil case which is full of some tie wraps and a pair of side cutters. Let's move this to the side. So when you receive repair bin back from me, there's a tag on the side, tells you where it's going. Take your cutters, cut it off. This tag, slide it open. You can flip it over, put the cover back on. Now it's ready to be returned to me for repairs. Two clasps on the side, you open it up. There are 8 Chromebooks in here. Should be roughly 26 pounds. Shouldn't be too bad. Take out your good ones and you put up 8 of them back into the box to send back to me when you have repairs. Push down on the lids and fold the clamps. Grab a new wire tie and your ID card. Slip it through the hole. Run it up. Tighten it fairly tight. It's still loose, and trim it off. And that box is now ready to be returned to Dryden.